Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Are you packing your lunch?
Yes, I am packing my lunch.
What are you buying from the shop?
I am buying some candies.
Are you washing the dishes?
Yes, I am washing the dishes.
Are you reading your lesson?
Yes, I am reading my lesson.
What are you putting in the box?
I am putting my toys in the box.
Are you sharpening your pencil?
Yes, I am sharpening my pencil.
What are you saving your money for?
I am saving money for a new book.
Are you stretching your arms?
Yes, I am stretching my arms.
What story are you listening to?
I am listening to a fairy tale.
Are you opening your gift?
Yes, I am opening my gift.
What are you solving in the workbook?
I am solving a math problem.
Are you folding the paper?
Yes, I am folding the paper.
What toy are you sharing?
I am sharing my car toy.
What are you fixing?
I am fixing my toy car.
Are you pushing the swing?
Yes, I am pushing the swing.
What are you choosing to wear today?
I am choosing my blue shirt.
Are you blowing the balloon?
Yes, I am blowing the balloon.
What are you practicing today?
I am practicing my reading.
Are you cutting the paper?
Yes, I am cutting the paper.
What toy are you choosing?
I am choosing a teddy bear.
Are you jumping on the trampoline?
Yes, I am jumping on the trampoline.
What are you building with blocks?
I am building a tower.
Are you writing in your notebook?
Yes, I am writing in my notebook.
What music are you playing?
I am playing soft music.
Are you turning the page?
Yes, I am turning the page.
What game are you playing?
I am playing a puzzle game.
Are you turning on the light?
Yes, I am turning on the light.
What are you looking at in the sky?
I am looking at the clouds.
Are you zipping your jacket?
Yes, I am zipping my jacket.
What animal are you drawing?
I am drawing a lion.
Are you closing the window?
Yes, I am closing the window.
What fruit are you eating?
I am eating an apple.
Are you spelling your name?
Yes, I am spelling my name.
What are you searching for?
I am searching for my pencil.
What are you drawing on the board?
I am drawing a star on the board.
Are you washing your face?
Yes, I am washing my face.
Are you drying your hands?
Yes, I am drying my hands.
What are you collecting?
I am collecting stickers.
Are you waving at your friend?
Yes, I am waving at my friend.
Are you measuring the water?
Yes, I am measuring the water.
What are you pointing at?
I am pointing at the map. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.